create Carousel slider using dynamic panel. So in this lesson, we'll create dynamic panel and different states, then next 3 buttons, and we'll assign the interaction to the button, and finally Carousel slider. So let's start. Space. So now we'll add here. First we need buttons. So here in icons, by default you will get some of the buttons like icons, so you can use these icons. So here I have drag and drop 2 icons. Now we need the box where we can place all the slider states. So first we'll convert this. So like here I have given shadow, so it will look good. Now if you want to give the radius, you can give X, and this right click, again right click, and dynamic panel. So it is ready. You can say slider. Now this 2 button is too much big, so you can make it no, it is too small. It is fine. Can keep it here. So this you can say next. This you can say brief. Now here you can place image, and if you want to add the text like carousel, so what we will do here, we take one box, over it, and we can add the text. I'm adding here dummy text. So here dummy text. Now we'll make the opacity of this box less. See here, so background image will be visible. If you want to add, so first you remove the border so it will look good. Now if you want to add some, so this image also we can, like you have selected this image, this is a placeholder image, and when you double click you will get icons or image, whatever is there in your machine, so you can change the image. And suppose this box for the text we are using, you can give the color. So here is the black color I have given, and instead of alpha value what we'll use in fill color, you can come here and you can reduce this, and you can give this text color as white, so it will be visible and readable here. So same, if you want to add the title, you can add it here. Level, you can drag and drop, and you can say title 1, and here is the text or related to the this image. So the same you can duplicate. See, this icon is for duplicate and this icon is for deleting the state. So here we can duplicate this state if you want to create a phrase, so you can. So here you will get like this. So what we'll do, state 1, we'll copy this, and state 2, we'll paste this. Just you have to remember this 0 and 0, so it will be in a same alignment. Same, you can state 3 you can create. So I have duplicated the state 3. Now we can name it 2 and 1. Now we'll give the interaction. So we'll select this both button. We'll say selection group. I will say button. Anything you can name it. And then we'll give the interaction style effect. Here select it, and you can fill the color and the font color. Okay. Now we'll give interaction for this next button. Click or tap, set panel state. We'll select slider. We'll say next, and we'll animate to the left. Okay, and the same previous button. Click or tap, set panel state. Select the slider. Say previous, and you can say left. Okay, so here we'll add set selected checked, this widget true, and here same interaction will add checked, this widget true. Now we'll preview. True, 3, and then 1. So you can add multiple animations, means different kind of animations. Like here it is animation right, left, slide up. So we'll use the slide up, and if you want wrap from the last first, you can use this for the next, and the same for the previous. This you can make it slide down, and this. Okay, so preview this. Even you can use some content or icons or bullets to show the navigation and which slide you are. And even we can use this disable button while it is in a first slide. The same way we can use the disable button when it is in a third slide. So like this is in the first slide, this should be disabled, and then so we'll see that in the next lesson. For today, the slider, you just try to add content and create the slider. Okay, then see you in next lesson. Thank you.